Hi again, Adam Zeiss here for CrackBerry.com. I'm going to take a quick look at BerryBlab for BlackBerry smartphones. BerryBlab is a third-party application that lets you browse vBulletin forums, mobile forums through your BlackBerry. So when we fire up the application, we actually have to add the forum. BerryBlab only supports vBulletin, and the administrators have to make sure the BerryBlab plugin is installed in their forums, otherwise it won't work. There's a full list of supported forums at BerryBlab.com. But if you have a site that you frequent through the mobile forums, you can contact the administrator and get them to install the BerryBlab plugin, and then you'll be able to add it through the application. So once we get the forums installed, it's forums.crackberry.com, then we can jump right in, and we'll see the layout. It looks the same as the mobile site for the most part, or through the PC. Everything's laid out, and see we have our main forums and all the sub forums all the way down. I'm already logged in here. If you weren't logged in, up top there would be a little login box to just put in your username and password. And if we jump into a forum, and this will list all your topics. So you can see we have the title, a short little one-liner from the beginning of the post, and then we have the username, date, and time. If we click into the post, we can see the whole thread laid out here. It's a little different than you would expect. It's just all text, so it takes a little bit of adjusting at first, but once you get into it, it's pretty easy to navigate. And we have our posts here. We have reply, quote, subscribe, or unsubscribe. So not a ton of features, but it gives you all the basics. So here we have our reply. You can type in your reply there, post reply, and you're done. So these are all the forms here. We also have the option to view new posts. So this will give you all the latest posts for the forum if you just want to go through and see what's new, and you can click into them the same way. And that'll show you all the latest posts for all the forums. And then we have our private messages, so you can click into that. It shows you all your private messages, so you can write messages or reply to messages through that. You can view any of your subscribed threads, change your login info. We have a refresh here, so you can refresh it to get all the updates for the latest posts. If we jump into the options, and we just have a couple here. We have the option to see forum descriptions, load images, image quality, the max size, the post sort order is a big one. This you can set to descending or ascending depending on whether you want to have the most recent posts show up top or down the bottom when you view the forums. And we have the amount of posts to list and the amount of thread to list. So that's pretty much it for the most part. You can add as many forums as you want in here. Like I said, they have to be supported for BerryBlab, so they have to have the vBulletin plugin installed. And BerryBlab sells in the CrackBerry App Store for $2.99, and great way to browse the mobile forums if you're on the go. Just speeds things up a little bit so you don't have to worry about jumping into the mobile browser and having a slower experience. And that is BerryBlab for BlackBerry smartphones. You can check out more at BerryBlab.com.